please. Order, please.
Your Honor, the Lieutenant Governor is without.
Let Her Honor the Lieutenant Governor be admitted.
It is the wish of Her Honor that ladies and gentlemen be seated.
May it please Your Honor, the General Assembly of the province has at its present session passed certain bills to which, in the name and on behalf of the General Assembly, I respectfully request Your Honor's assent.
An act to provide compensation for full-time and volunteer firefighters who suffer from an occupational disease. An act to amend the Personal Property Security Act. An act to amend the Municipal Elections Act, the Municipal Government Act, and the Municipal Grants Act. An act respecting the administration of justice. An act respecting apprenticeship and trades qualifications. An act to amend the Union of Nova Scotia Municipalities Act. An act to protect the dealers and vendors of farm machinery. An act to amend the Riverport District Fire Protection Act. An act to amend an act to incorporate the Truro Golf Club. An act respecting certain financial measures. An act to authorize the town of Hantsport to make a grant to the Hantsport Memorial Community Centre. An act to amend an act to incorporate the acts respecting the Sisters of St. Martha. An act to amend the Members' Retiring Allowances Act. An act to amend an act to incorporate the Old Presbyterian Church Cemetery Company of Chipman Corner in Cornwallis, Kings County. An act to amend the Insurance Act. An act to amend an act to incorporate the Associated Alumni of Acadia College. An act to amend the Lunenburg Common Lands Act. An act respecting interior designers. An act to establish the Dr. Jack Crosby Memorial Addictions Trust Fund. An act to amend the Cosmetology Act. An act respecting the practice and regulation of massage therapy. An act to amend an act to incorporate the Licensed Embalmers and Funeral Directors Association. an act to amend an act to incorporate the Maritime Oddfellows Home.
In Her Majesty's name, I assent to these bills.
Your Honor, having been graciously pleased to give your assent to the bills passed during the present session, it becomes my agreeable duty on behalf of Her Majesty's dutiful and loyal subjects, her faithful Commons of Nova Scotia, to present to your Honor a bill for the appropriation of supply granted at the present session for the support of the public service and to request your Honor's assent thereto.
An act to provide for defraying certain charges and expenses of the public service of the province.
Deputy Premier, thank you. In Her Majesty's name, I thank her loyal subjects, I accept their benevolence, and I assent to this bill.
Michael, you said you enjoy your summer? Obviously, the Premier hasn't met with Rick yet.
That's why he's not here. He just went out to do it. Press conference in the Red Room right now. No, I think my hair should be going this like this.
His Honor, the Speaker.
Good speaker.
Murray, your pumps don't match.
How do you know?
Murray, your pumps don't match.
Who would notice?
And I care.
I'll ask all members now to join me in the singing of our national anthem. Please be seated. Just before I recognize the Honorable Deputy Premier, I want to take the opportunity to thank all the members for their cooperation as I sat in this chair for the last 4 years. Little did I ever believe when I entered this chamber 5 years ago that I would sit in this chair at least for this long. And I can tell you it's been quite an experience. There's been a lot of good memories, and I appreciate the cooperation of all members. I would like to say that the latest rendition there of O Canada, I think, is a little better than it's been last year and a little better than the year before. And maybe soon we can take it on the road. Anyway, thank you to all the members. And I do want to, again, thank all members, and I want to wish all of you and your families a very safe and happy summer. And hopefully we'll see each other back here sometime later this year. The Honorable Deputy Premier.
Speaker, on behalf of all members, I think we would like to pass on our congratulations to you for the service you've given to this House over the past 4 years.
Thank you.
And now, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker and members of the House of Assembly, I move that this General Assembly be adjourned to meet again at the call of the Speaker.
We stand adjourned. Thank you.